So, I had a little accident the other day with one of my lenses. It was actually a kit lens for my Canon R50. So let's take a look here. I don't really know what I did with it. So this is the lens. This is the 18 to 45 millimeter kit lens that comes with the R50. I don't really know what I did with it. I think I used a little too much force when I was adjusting the zoom and with this control ring here. So it kind of locked itself in a position and it didn't work since then. I don't really know why or I have tried to get it into position a lot of times, but you know, it feels like this one is a little bit of bad quality, to be honest. Fortunately, I have not been using this lens a lot. Normally I use prime lenses like 50 millimeter f1.8 and something like 16 millimeter f2.8. Those are probably the lenses that I use the most on the R50. But you know, it's kind of okay to have a zoom lens also for the R50. So I thought about an older camera that I had lying around in a drawer. So let's take a look. Let's take a little look. Let's take this R50 over to this table right here. So I have an older camera. Let's just put the camera here on a tripod. So this was the camera that I found in a drawer. It's a Canon EOS 2000D. This is the European version. It's called Rebel T7 in the US and I think 1100D in Asia. So with this camera, I also have a kit lens, which is an 18 to 55 millimeter EFS lens. And as most kit lenses, they are not the most quality built lenses, but you know, it's better than nothing. And of course, this is an EF lens, so I cannot really put it directly on the R50 because of the RF mount here. But there is fortunately solutions for that. So I just put this back on. I am a bit cautious with the sensor here. So I just bought an autofocus adapter so that I can use EF and EFS lenses on the RF mount. This one is called Comlight. Of course, you can get the original one from Canon itself, but it's a little bit more expensive. So this one costs I don't really remember the exact price, but something around $100 or something like that, US dollars. So the point is that you can actually just put the lens onto the adapter here. So which way was it? This way, and you will have the opportunity. So let's be a little bit careful with it. So this one goes right on the RF mount here. So now I have a kit lens again, and I didn't really use a lot of money. Because it's even if this lens is not, you know, like the high-end quality lens, it is still a zoom lens opportunity for the R50 and for around $100, I have now a new kit lens. So I think you can find a lot of easy solutions for this. Wasn't a really great problem, but it was something that could be fixed, and why not? If you have it, use it. That's my word for today. So hope to see you in the next one, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and I will try to find something even better to talk about the next video. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. See you in the next one.